It's time to do. I can help you. Workbook. Workbook time.
Hello again, everybody. Today we are doing pages 50 and 51 in the Let's Go 1 workbook, and these are the Let's Learn More pages for Unit 6. Part A just says circle, so we have to circle the right prepositions of place. Ooh, that's scary. The right place words. And in your student books, the place words were presented like this.
In, on, under, by.
Okay, let's do some circling. Look at the bug in every picture. They're telling us about the bug. All right. In or on? On. It's on the bag. Under or by? By. It's by the bag. In or by? In. It's in the bag. On or under? Under. It's under the bag. Part A is done. This is part B, and it says trace and write. So we're going to trace parts of it and write in the missing parts. We need to write a question and an answer. And in the student books, this question answer pattern looked like this. Okay, so we want to know the place of something. And when I want to know a place, I use this question word, where? And today we have to remember a few things. First of all, if it's only one thing, then we'll be using is. That's for one thing. So where is? Where's. Where's means where is. Where's equals where is. If it's more than one thing, like these flowers, 1, 2, 3, we'll be using are. Are is for more than one. So 2 or more than one. And to match to these, one thing matches to it. It is one thing. More than one thing is they. So today we'll be answering with it is or it's, and they are or they're. Okay, let's start tracing. Number 1, where's the baseball? So we go big W-H-E-R-E apostrophe S. Where's, where is the baseball? B-A-S-E-B-A-L-L. It's in the puddle. Oh, that's too bad. I-T apostrophe S I-N-T-H-E-P-U-D-D-L-E. It's in the puddle. Number 2, are the flowers? So we need the question word first. Where? Because we want to know a place. So where? And there are 3 flowers, so we're going to use are. Where are the flowers? Okay, and we'll say they are or they're. There. And we have to put the place word here. Should we say in, on, under, or by? Under. They're under the table. Great. Number 3. The bat. It's only one, so we're going to say where is or where's. Where's the bat? If it's one thing, then we have to use the word it. It is or it's. So here we go. It's the tree. In, on, under, or by the tree. Well, in this case, we could pick either by or we could pick under. Both are okay. I think they want us to pick by because we already did in and under. So I'm going to write by. But if you write under, that is totally fine because look, it's under the tree. It's by the tree. Okay, number 4. The jump rope. How many? Good, 1. So what should we say? Where's or where are? Where's? Where's the jump rope? And it's one thing, so we'll say it's again. It's the table. In, on, under, or by. On. It's on the table. Great! Part D is done. Okay, this is part C. It says read and write, and we're using the same question and answer pattern again. And here are the place words that we can use up here. Number 1, where's the book? It's the bag. In. It's in the bag. Number 2, where are the balls? They're the bag. By, on, under. On. They're on the bag. Number 3, where's the bicycle? It's the table. It's by the table, it's under the table. By. It's by the table. Number 4, where are the dolls? They're the table. Under. They're under, U-N-D-E-R, the table. B-L-E. Great! Part C is done. This is part D, and it just says look and write. And here we had the commands from the student book, which were put the So we're going to use that pattern. This is the pattern from our books. Put the the Yeah, this should be in, on, under, by, and this is thing 1 that we're putting, and this is the place. Put the thing in, on, under, the place. Okay, number 1. Put the baseball the table. In the table, on the table, under the table, or by the table. On. Let's trace it and we'll write on. Put the baseball on the table. Good. Number 2, put the bat the baseball. Put it in the baseball, on the baseball, under the baseball, or by the baseball. By. Put the bat by the baseball. Okay, number 3, same thing. Put the, and what's in his hand? Baseball. Put the baseball the bag. In the bag, on the bag, under the bag, by the bag. In. Put the baseball in the bag. Okay, now we have to talk about the bag. Put the what? Put the bag. Put the bag the tree. In the tree, under the tree, On the tree, by the tree, under. By would be okay too, but under is probably better. Put the bag under the tree. Wonderful! We just finished part D, and that means that our workbooks are finished for today.